Racing just is started. We have Yes Kitty. Break quickly to start. Pangarap is on the outside. Directors Donya in the middle portion. Rocking Hill. Then followed now by Divine Dancer. Jade's Treasure is done on the inside. Lyra comes next while Wild Talk is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch. We have Yes Kitty, and on the outside now is Rocking Hill. Pangarap is down into the Jade's Treasure is running by the railport in the middle portion. Pip comes Directors Donya. Lyra comes next. Wild Talk while Divine Dancer now racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Yes Kitty, and on the outside, Rocking Hill. Then here comes Jade's Treasure, now trying to get closer in third. Directors Donya, Pangarap, Lyra, Wild Talk, while Divine Dancer is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Yes Kitty enjoying a 2 lengths lead and moving upon the outside. Rocking Hill running by the release. Jade's Treasure, Lyra comes next. Directors Donya, Pangarap. Last 100 meters, we have Yes Kitty, this time by about 4 lengths. And finally, Yes Kitty. Second, Jade's Treasure, Rocking Hill, Lyra, Pangarap, Directors Donya, Divine Dancer, and Wild Talk.
Our unofficial winner, numero 1, Yes Kitty with Rider at Caballero. Mas segundo, numero 4, Jade's Treasure, 5, Rocking Hill, 3, Lyra, at 8, Pangarap sa ating Pentafecta. Panoorin po natin.